a bolt-on C7 Z06 on E85, and we're about to take it for a ride. And this thing looks just, oh my god, like Batman. This thing's just so badass. All right guys, so here's a shot of the C7 Z06. It's the engine bay. We got the stock pulley, upgraded intake, upgraded headers on it, and see how clean it looks. It's just beautiful engine. You have a lot of space to work here. It's just badass, man. Sick car. Man. I love the wheels, love the brakes. So we're dealing here with some Mickey Thompsons. What are these Mickey Thompsons? What?
Yeah, Mickey Thompsons. They should be the Street R's.
Street R's.
The more streetable version of the ETs.
Yep. So you're running. Do you have to upgrade the injectors and fuel pumps in order to run E85 on this car?
So to run E85 for this car, you just need you just need this flex fuel kit.
Right.
You mount it and then you plug into the computer.
So stock injectors.
Stock injectors.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That's insane. That's really cool that we could get so much power, you know, with the stock injectors.
Full stock blower, you can get stock anywhere 750, 800 range.
Yeah, that's with the upgraded pulley, right?
Upgraded pulleys with a 40 blower, you can get up there in those high horsepowers.
Yep. You want to open up the interior so we can see it? Check it out. Awesome. All right, guys, so there it is. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted by this Corvette emblem. I love this carbon fiber doors, soft material here. Feels really good. And the interior, man, it feels like kind of like a cockpit because everything is leaning towards you. So really cool.
Very much like a fighter jet.
Yeah, fighter jet. Very awesome. And this car only has what, 46,000 miles?
So this one was high mileage. So at now 47 and change.
47. That's nothing. That's nothing for this car. That's nothing. Love this carbon fiber Z06. Just looks awesome. Digital dash. We have here a real speedo, and we're gonna see it when we do the pulls. It's crazy. Another thing, we could remove the roof, right? Can't you?
Yeah, so 3 clips, and you remove it.
And you have it convertible. That's it?
Yeah. Well, brains blown out like the old Lamborghini Diablos.
Yeah.
Just open the trunk, and it has the clips so you can store the roof.
Hey, man. Awesome. We're gonna go for a ride, and we're gonna feel how it feels. Almost 700 to the wheels. Never been on a C7 Z06 or any C7, but from a Terminator owner, we're gonna get to experience this. So let's go for a ride. And you open up the door. Yeah, this thing feels different than my Terminator. Oof. You can see, guys, the interior way different and just beautiful. Talk about it. How long have you had this car?
Are you recording already?
Yeah, it's recording. It's recording.
So 2016 Chevy Z06 Corvette, okay. C7. Bought it back in July of 2019. So it's coming on 2 years I've had the car. Last time we dynoed was about 640. That was before I was on E, and
that makes a big difference, right?
Yeah, huge difference.
Stock pulley, right?
Stock pulley, stock blower,
stock boost level,
stock boost level, no ported blower, none of that. Tuned by one of my good friends I served in the military with, Ish Tune.
Oh man, thank you for your service, man.
No problem, man.
Thank you.
So yeah, it made 640 before the E85. We are estimating now it's a little better. It's possibly somewhere in the 675, 690 range. Gotta retune again just to see where our levels are at.
How do you like it so far? So will you recommend this car to anyone that's in the market?
Oh, definitely. So I started, you know, back in the car game 2004 in Hondas.
Wow, so, Hondas.
Yeah. So to come from there to where I'm at now, you know, it's a testament. You know, you work hard, you get where you want.
I agree.
So to me, this is my all-time dream car. You know, you could give me a Ferrari or a Lambo, I don't care. I've always been a Corvette guy. Starts off with my family all being Corvette guys. This right now is, to me, is a dream car, like I said. So this car I recommend to anybody.
How do you recommend the auto transmission?
Auto, so it's a preference.
Right.
We spoke about it off camera before. I like to bang gears like anybody else. My car that I sold before this, which was a Camaro SS, full bolt-ons, made about 450. Was
fun car, huh?
Yeah, it was a fun car. Was stick 6-speed. I opted to go automatic, mainly because this was actually the car I found first in my price range. And number two,
you want to tell them the smoking deal that, guys, this guy has the best deal. And you're lucky, man.
So it was a little high mileage, about 40, but I barely drive the car, so now it's at 48 in almost 2 years. So I got the car for 54 out the door. It was a no-brainer. They gave me $6 grand on top of what I owed on my Camaro, so it gave me enough playing room to be able to make the purchase. I am by all means not a millionaire nor a rich guy that can buy one of these brand new out the lot.
Yeah.
So that was a little bit of sacrifice.
It's a $100,000 car, right?
Yeah. So I had the LT1 version of the Z06, which is the lowest trim package. So you're looking around $95,000, $100,000 for this package.
Car.
Yeah.
So for half, I mean, you pay basically half the price for this car.
Yeah, definitely.
And you what, 40,000? That's nothing for this car. This engine will last you forever. I mean, you take care of it.
Guaranteed.
I mean, but it's just wow, man. This is so nice. Like, I love the attention to detail. 650. That's fake news right there. Wow, that guy just ran the red light. This car makes way more than that. I mean, to the flywheel. But I mean, the interior is just very, very comfortable, very quiet, beautiful. First time on a C06, on a C7, pretty much. But it rides nice.
Yeah, I mean, it's basically a stock car.
Yeah, rides very quiet inside. Actually,
it's supporting bolt-ons, and it's almost full bolt-ons, except that, you know, I gotta go like pulley and maybe some.
And you have headers
40.
on it? You have
headers, Texas speed headers.
Nice.
So, but they're the 1 1/7/8. They're not the 2-inch. I thought 2-inch was gonna be overkill for, you know, my goals.
Right.
Like, I've been in this game long enough. There's always gonna be somebody faster, so I don't really care about.
I agree. That's the same thing I tell my audience. I'm always, because I have a pulley cover, and I'm like, there's always gonna be someone faster than you.
Yeah,
you have to enjoy what you have.
Somebody's pockets is always bigger.
It's always bigger.
Always bigger.
And some people are willing to take more risks.
Yeah.
That's what it comes down to. One of the nicest C7 Z06 that I've ever seen in my life. It's just
Thank you.
The stands up, no, like for real. We're gonna see it on the B-rolls. It just looks incredible. It has a presence. Like, I was rolling by when I was pulling up to the spot where we met, and I see the Cobra, and then I looked to the side, and I was like, man, that's a badass C06, man. I mean, I just didn't even know you. I mean, it's incredible. I mean, the presence that it has is just incredible. I mean, honestly, it looks like a supercar. You don't daily drive it, though.
So this is my Friday, Saturday, and sometimes Sunday car.
Keep going straight.
Other than that, this car sees barely any miles, which is why in almost 2 years I've only put about 7,500 miles on it.
Bro, I only put 1 year. I put on my Cobra only 1,000 miles. My by the way, I have an 03 with 40,000 miles. Now it has 41. So I totally get it. I mean, my car is a little bit, a lot older than your car.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm just trying to preserve the car as much as possible. And to be honest, if you don't daily drive it, once you get on it, it's just the best, because it's a feeling that every time you get on it, it feels like a brand new car.
Yep.
Every single time you get on it, because you're not commuting with it.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, right. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today we have a 2020 GT 500.